Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Today's video is going to be a Dutch pour bloom. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. I'm trying bigger ones now. This is Amsterdam titanium white mixed with floetrol and water. And my colors are 24 karat gold. Amsterdam permanent blue violet, permanent red violet, and oriental violet by Behr. So that's what I'm going to use today. Spread this around. As you can see, the paints are very thin. I measure mine with by weight. I'll put that in the description under the video. I'm fairly new at Dutch pours. I always do Sheleeart blooms. So I'm trying to get used to how much paint to put down, the consistencies, how to blow it out. All right, that's good. I'll cover my sides so that the paint flows down easy. Move these out of the way. This time I'm going to use purples and gold. I think I'll put the gold first. And then I'll put this dark color. Permanent blue violet. Oriental violet. I need to get some squeeze bottles for these. And that one's permanent red violet. Let's see what I can do here. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty colors. Oh, I love the gold on the bottom. Look at how it outlines it. Oh, it's so pretty. This one I kind of wrecked it a bit. And if I can fix that one. I don't want to disturb anymore. gonna just now, what should I do? These are real wiggly petals. All right. Make a spin. This gold around the outside is going to look so pretty when it's dry. I love that center. I don't want to do anything to this. I'll just leave it. I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is and just let it dry. I love these. I think these petals are so cool. All right, thanks for watching this one. Very quick video. But the purples and the gold is so pretty. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe. And I'll keep working on my blooms, on my Dutch pour blooms. Have a good day.